What if the real key to unstoppable stamina wasn't hidden in a supplement, a technique, or some complicated routine, but in a single drop of oil that, when applied before you even touch yourself, can turn your body into a machine of control, power, and hours-long firmness? Most men never stop to think about what they're actually putting on their skin, especially in their most sensitive areas. And this is where so many hidden problems begin because the body absorbs far more than people realize, and the oils you choose can either support your firmness or slowly damage the very tissue you're trying to strengthen. The first key to lasting firmness is understanding that not all oils are created equal. Some are heavy, clogging, and irritate the skin, while others contain compounds that improve circulation, nourish delicate tissue, and protect your natural moisture barrier. When you randomly grab whatever oil or lotion is nearby, your skin often responds with inflammation, dryness, or decreased sensitivity. And many men mistake these symptoms as aging or hormonal decline instead of recognizing the simple exposure to harsh chemicals and fragrances. What you apply externally has a direct impact on your internal performance because the skin in that area is extremely thin, highly absorbent, and rich in blood vessels, meaning anything you use travels deeper than the surface, influencing tissue health, nerve response, and vascular function. Choosing the right oil becomes more than a convenience. It becomes a form of self-care, a conscious commitment to treating your body in a way that supports long-term sexual confidence and vitality. Natural oils such as cold-pressed coconut, almond, or gentle botanical blends contain compounds that mimic the skin's natural oils, offering nourishment, protection, and enhanced suppleness without disrupting your natural balance. When your skin is healthy and well lubricated, it becomes more responsive, elastic, and resistant to irritation, which directly translates to improved sensation, better blood flow, and a more reliable erection response because the tissue isn't fighting inflammation or micro damage. Over time, using the proper oil helps restore sensitivity that many men didn't even realize they had lost, and this alone can significantly improve arousal and firmness because the nerve endings become more awake, more responsive, and better supported. When you make the intentional choice to use something clean, simple, and naturally compatible with your skin chemistry, you're not just adding lubrication. You are strengthening the foundation of your performance. It shifts your mindset from rushing through the act to investing in your body, reminding yourself that you deserve methods that actually support your health instead of sabotaging it. Your body appreciates consistency, quality, and mindful choices, and when you give it the right ingredients, not fillers, not artificial scents, not petroleum-based barriers, you allow the tissue to function at its full potential. Most men underestimate how much skin health influences erection quality, but the connection is powerful, and immediate healthier skin allows better blood flow, better elasticity, and better arousal signals, all of which are essential for staying firm longer. This is why the first step in boosting firmness isn't the oil itself, but the awareness that your choices matter, your skin matters, and the small actions you take today accumulate into major improvements in the confidence, strength, and performance you experience tomorrow. Natural oils have been used for thousands of years to support circulation, warmth, and vitality. Yet most men today underestimate how deeply these simple ingredients can impact their firmness, endurance, and overall sexual performance when used correctly. The body responds instantly to anything that increases blood flow, and certain natural oils contain powerful phytonutrients, antioxidants, and warming compounds that gently stimulate the tiny blood vessels responsible for achieving and maintaining firmness. When you apply an oil that enhances circulation, the tissue becomes more responsive, fuller, and more elastic because the blood vessels dilate naturally, encouraging a stronger vascular reaction during arousal. This is not magic and not a shortcut. It is basic physiology, and the right oil works with your body instead of against it. Many men don't realize that poor firmness often begins with restricted microcirculation, tension, and reduced warmth in the area. And natural oils help counter this by creating a gentle heating effect that relaxes smooth muscle tissue and allows blood to flow more freely. The warmth you feel is not superficial. It encourages deeper relaxation, lets the pelvic floor release unnecessary tension, and brings more oxygen, rich blood into the tissue, which directly influences erection quality. These oils also help soften the skin, reduce dryness, and improve flexibility, allowing the tissues to expand more fully and comfortably, which is essential for achieving long-lasting firmness. When you apply the oil slowly and mindfully, you activate a deeper connection with your body, sending signals to your nervous system that it is safe to relax, safe to enjoy, and safe to respond, which further enhances arousal. Certain oils contain natural compounds that support nitric oxide production, the same chemical responsible for vascular dilation, making the effect feel more natural, more sustainable, and far less risky than synthetic enhancers. Over time, using these oils conditions the tissue so that it becomes healthier, more nourished, and more responsive, so helping you achieve firmer reactions with less effort. This is especially important for men who struggle with performance anxiety or psychological tension, because the sensation of warmth and comfort reduces overthinking and brings you back into your body, grounding your attention in physical pleasure rather than mental pressure. The right oil also helps prevent overstimulation patterns by slowing you down, encouraging a more controlled and connected experience, which naturally extends endurance and reduces premature tension. As you begin to rely less on friction alone and more on mindful stimulation and circulation support, you train your body to respond with greater consistency, strength, and control. Using natural oils before self-stimulation can become a ritual of preparation, warming the tissue, increasing oxygen flow, heightening anticipation, and giving your body what it needs to perform at its peak. Every time you choose an oil that boosts warmth and vascular response, you are sending a message to your body that you value long-term vitality, not quick fixes, and that small, thoughtful choices can lead to powerful improvements in firmness, confidence, and overall sexual health. Most men never realize how much their performance is influenced not by physical ability alone, but by the state of their mind in the moments leading up to arousal. And this is where the concept of a pre-stimulation ritual becomes transformative, because it shifts you out of stress, pressure, and overthinking and into a calm, grounded connection with your body. The truth is that arousal depends heavily on the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for relaxation, pleasure, and blood flow. And when you are tense, rushed, or anxious, this system shuts down, making firmness inconsistent or short-lived. Applying the right oil can become a powerful ritual that interrupts performance anxiety, slows your breathing, and signals your brain that everything is safe, comfortable, and under control. When you take a moment to warm the oil in your hands, focus your mind, and apply it slowly with awareness, you activate sensory pathways that reduce stress hormones and increase your body's natural readiness for firmness. So this mindful approach helps you become more present, more connected to sensation, and far less distracted by fear of failure, timing, or performance expectations. Most men rush into stimulation without preparing their mind or body, and this creates a cycle of tension that makes firmness more difficult to achieve or maintain, but a deliberate ritual changes the entire experience. It becomes an opportunity to reset your internal rhythm, align your breath with your movement, and remind yourself that pleasure works best when your mind is calm and your body feels supported. The more present you become in your ritual, the more sensitive your body becomes, because the nervous system finally has room to respond without interference from stress. This is why many men find that applying oil mindfully leads to longer lasting firmness. It is not the oil alone, but the shift in mental state, the reduction in anxiety, and the increased attention to physical sensation that create the change. A relaxed mind sends stronger arousal signals, which improves blood flow, pelvic relaxation, and control, giving you far better endurance and confidence. Over time, this ritual conditions your brain to associate preparation with pleasure, making arousal easier and more consistent even on days when stress or fatigue would normally interfere. It also helps break the cycle of overstimulation and rushing, two habits that weaken endurance and sensitivity over the long term. By allowing yourself to slow down and feel every sensation, you build better body awareness, allowing you to sense early signs of tension, adjust your breathing, and stay in control longer. This mind-body connection becomes a powerful tool, teaching you how to manage arousal levels without panic or frustration, cis, and showing you that true stamina starts long before physical stimulation begins. When you integrate a ritual that calms your mind, grounds your attention, and awakens your senses, you take back control of your performance, proving that firmness is not just a physical reaction, but a coordinated response between awareness, relaxation, and intentional preparation that sets you up for strength, endurance, and confidence every single time. One of the most overlooked aspects of lasting firmness is the condition of the skin and tissue itself, because no matter how strong your arousal is or how healthy your circulation may be, if the outer layers are irritated, dry, or damaged, the entire experience becomes harder to control, less pleasurable, and more inconsistent. Many men unknowingly create micro tears through friction, dryness, or using harsh products, and these tiny injuries accumulate over time, reducing sensitivity, weakening elasticity, and causing discomfort that interrupts arousal and firmness. The right oil changes this completely by nourishing the tissue, restoring moisture, and forming a protective barrier that prevents damage while still allowing the skin to breathe and remain responsive. When the tissue is properly moisturized and supported, it becomes more flexible and more capable of expanding fully, which directly contributes to stronger and more reliable firmness. This is especially important for men who struggle with dryness, irritation, or overstimulation, because dryness not only makes the experience less enjoyable, but also signals the body to tense up, reducing blood flow and making firmness difficult to maintain. A high-quality natural oil conditions the skin so it can handle stimulation without weakening, giving you smoother movement, more control, and greater comfort. Over time, this conditioning effect restores sensitivity that may have been lost due to friction or repeated irritation, allowing you to feel more pleasure with less stimulation, which naturally improves endurance by reducing the urge to rush. The right oil can even support healing because its nutrients and fatty acids strengthen the moisture barrier and encourage healthier tissue regeneration, making the area more resilient to stress. This healthier tissue responds more easily to arousal signals, holds blood flow better, and recovers faster, creating a noticeable improvement in firmness and performance. Protection is not just physical, it also gives you mental ease, because when you know your body feels good, you stop worrying about discomfort, dryness, or irritation, and this freedom from distraction helps you stay in control longer. Many men underestimate how much tension comes from anticipating discomfort, and the right oil eliminates that fear, allowing your body to relax fully into the experience. That relaxation triggers better circulation, better sensitivity, and better stamina. The oil also slows down the pace, encouraging more mindful, controlled movements that prevent overstimulation and help retrain your responses. When you combine protection with awareness, you create a cycle where your performance improves while your tissue stays healthier and stronger, giving you long-term benefits instead of temporary results. Using the right oil becomes an investment in your sexual health, a way to protect your sensitivity, strengthen your confidence, and ensure every experience feels comfortable, controlled, and deeply satisfying. Over time, this practice helps you build a foundation of resilience and responsiveness, allowing you to enjoy firmer reactions, longer endurance, and a more connected sense of pleasure, because your skin, your nerves, and your confidence are all being supported with every application. The fifth key point revolves around understanding that your body responds to intention, consistency, and refinement far more than it responds to shortcuts. Using oil before stimulation isn't just about physical enhancement. It's about creating a ritual that signals your mind and body to focus, expand, and perform better. When a man approaches his intimate practice with awareness instead of rushing or treating it casually, the body naturally shifts into a more responsive state. This means better blood flow, stronger sensations, and more control. The oil becomes a tool, but the real transformation happens because you are finally paying attention to how your body reacts, where it tightens, where it relaxes, and how it builds arousal. That awareness turns into mastery, and mastery turns into stamina. Many men struggle not because their bodies are weak, but because they lack connection with their own arousal process. They move too fast, grip too tight, or ignore signals of tension building too early. sees the right technique combined with oil creates a smoother, more controlled environment where you can notice everything clearly. You feel the warmth, the glide, the pulse, and the shifting pressure. Instead of being lost in mindless motion, you begin to guide your body. This slows down the rising point, letting you extend the experience naturally without forcing anything. The more familiar you become with your rhythm, the more confidently you hold that firmness for longer. Another part of this keynote is understanding that men often underestimate the role of mental state. A stressed mind shortens endurance. A distracted mind weakens firmness. A disconnected mind blocks pleasure. The simple act of preparing with oil becomes a psychological switch. Your brain recognizes this as a moment to relax and engage fully. When your mind is calm, the nervous system sends more stable signals to the pelvic muscles. Those muscles stay relaxed at the right times and tighten only when needed, giving you the ability to stretch the experience instead of rushing through it. This is why men who approach intimacy with intention often report better performance, even without any supplements or external aids. Using oil also encourages slower, deliberate movements, which naturally increase sensitivity. Contrary to what many think, increased sensitivity doesn't make you finish faster. It gives you more awareness of the buildup so you can stay in control. When you move slowly, you teach the body to adjust, to breathe, and to regulate itself instead of reacting impulsively. Over time, your stamina improves because you're not fighting your body, you're working with it. This is how some men build the ability to go from minutes to much longer durations without strain. This keynote reminds the audience that results come from consistency. Doing this once won't transform anything, but adopting it as a regular practice conditions your body, strengthens your control, sharpens your awareness, and rewires your responses. The oil is not magic, your dedication is. Once you embrace this process, you'll discover firmness that lasts longer, control that feels natural, and confidence that stays with you both alone and with a partner. In the end, what truly matters is not the oil itself, not the technique, and not the promise of hours-long firmness, but the shift that happens inside you when you finally take control of your own body. When you stop settling for excuses, stop believing you are limited, and stop letting frustration define your confidence. You have learned that your body responds to intention, preparation, and consistency, and that a small action taken before the moment can unlock strength that feels almost unreal. This is about reclaiming your energy, your performance, your self-respect, and the quiet power that comes from knowing you can deliver whenever you choose to. Every man deserves to feel capable, confident, and in command, and now you understand how to move toward that version of yourself. The path forward is simple. Apply what you've learned. Trust your body to rise to the level you train it to, and step into the version of yourself that refuses to be average. Because once you realize how much power you've been carrying all along, you stop living like a follower and start living like a man who finally knows what he is capable of.